So, hello everyone, boy, girl, woman, man, anyone you are, let me know you're an alien. Hello to you too, alien. So today we're going to be talking about Piggyvest. Piggyvest is a financial technology platform that started way back in 2016 before it was called just Piggy Bank. But up until 2019, they did some development and innovation and they came up with the investing side, so they renamed it to Piggyvest, and that was it was born. So what your bankers won't tell you, and your bank managers and your bank people and other people, is that Piggyvest is actually better than your banks, like very much better than your banks, in the sense that the savings platform, you can have an interest rate up to 10% interest rate yearly, and there's something they call flex naira. It's still part of savings platform. You earn up to 8% interest rate on your investment or your savings yearly. The good thing about your Piggyvest that your bankers won't tell you is that it helps protect your money sort of from inflation, that creature that eats money, the value of your money, the purchasing power basically. So okay, let's use an example to explain what inflation does. Last year 50k could buy 20, that's 2 times I just flashed, 20 plots of land, but no one actually sell you 20 plots of land. Like this example, but this year that 50k will buy you just 5 plots of land. So inflation is that creature that ate the 15 plots of land, or the ability of the money to buy that 15 plots of land. That's inflation. That is what causes money to devalue everywhere yearly. As far as we print more money and more money keeps devaluing, but there's a way that could devalue at a slower pace. But anyhow, you can come to Piggyvest and to protect your money sort of from inflation, and that's good, right? And besides the savings, you can also save in dollars. So imagine currently, about yesterday when I checked, do you know how much dollars was? It was 550 naira in the black market. Yeah, but I remember when it was 360 naira sometime last year. So imagine if you started saving in dollars in Piggyvest sometime last year, you'd have earned a lot. Probably you'd be like giving me money for free, or giving your friends money for free, or doing some giveaways and stuff like that. And that would be cool, right? That would be cool and good. And alongside just saving in dollars, in the dollar account you can have an interest rate of 7% yearly. So you earn 7% yearly, and you also save, like you save and you earn more money. And in the investment part, you can invest in things like real estate, agriculture, banking and other things, and you earn an ROI of up to 30% yearly, or sorry, not yearly, depending on how long you're investing, depending on the duration. And the investment platform is backed up by insurance companies, so the investment is basically safe. It's a very low risk investment scheme that you invest and your money is insured, so basically nothing happens to your money. Now the best part of Piggyvest, when you join Piggyvest, you get free 1,000 naira. That's you and your friend get free 1,000 naira. Your friend that made you to join. So I guess I'm your friend. Yeah, I'm your friend. So join with my link below. Once you click the link, you join, you do the processes. It's very easy and easy to understand. You get free 1,000 naira, and I as a friend, I get free 1,000 naira, and that's cool, right? We are friends, so we look out for each other. That's it. I just turned my cap sideways for you. So click the link below and join if you're not using Piggyvest, and start enjoying your savings career and making a lot of money in future. My cap is now backwards or frontwards or whatever this direction is. So if you invite 10 of your friends, your church member, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your other neighbor, your neighbor in front of your house, your neighbor beside your house, your neighbor down the hall, your whole choir, in fact, you get 1,000 naira for each person you invite. So invite 10 people, that's 10,000 naira for free money basically, and you save and make more money. And so that's Piggyvest for you. So if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, so I'll know that people are enjoying this, that people are going to enjoy this. I'll create more fresh contents like this. Yeah, my cap is sideways again for you. More fresh content like this. And thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.